Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a new project in IntelliJ IDEA. And we're going to create a Gradle project here. So the project type is going to be Gradle and the language is Java. And we're going to click next on that. Let's give it a name, Rest Assured Tutorial. And we're going to wait for this project to be created. Now the Gradle build is happening. It's creating its own tasks, and that's mostly done. In the meantime, we need certain dependencies, and we do set up Gradle build. Now, currently it assumes that we are going to use JUnit version 4, and that's not what we're going to do. We need JUnit version 5. So we're going to get the right dependencies and the right settings for the build Gradle file, and I'm going to guide you through this process. Now, this is the main page for JUnit 5. It has a user doc section from where we are going to find the right requirements for using Gradle. We're going to look for Gradle here. Now, in order to use Gradle, first we have to define this test task. We're going to copy this part and I'm going to paste it here in our Gradle build file. The next thing what we need is dependencies. These are our dependencies that we need. We need a test implementation dependency on JUnit Jupyter, and we need a runtime dependency on the Jupyter engine. We don't need JUnit 4, so we're going to remove that and we're going to paste these new dependencies here. The next thing what we need to do is we need rest assured. So I'm going to show you how we can find out the requirements for rest assured. Now, this is the rest assured getting started wiki, and here it says what we need for Maven or Gradle. This is the dependency how we define in Maven, but since we're using Gradle, we are going to copy this part and we're going to paste that here. Now it's a good time for IntelliJ to be told that we need to import these changes that we have made to the Gradle build file. It's going to get all the new dependencies, and once that is done, you will see you have rest assured requirements here and you have the JUnit requirements here. So now we are ready to start building our first test. So in the next step, we're going to create that first test.